Welcome everyone. As we have completed 4 chapter, now in this video we will start the chapter number 5, applying formatting effects. For that we have to open PowerPoint. So to open PowerPoint, first of all we have to click on start button, then all programs. In all programs we have to go in Microsoft Office. In Microsoft Office you will find Microsoft PowerPoint. In Microsoft PowerPoint you will get the first interface like this. We have studied about how we will enter the data in PowerPoint. So after entering the data we need the formatting of data. So to formatting means the changing the appearance of the text. See, there are two things. One is formatting, another is editing. In editing we change the actual data, but in formatting we only change the appearance of our data. So today we will learn how we will change the appearance of the text by changing the fonts, by changing the font size, color and alignment, spacing. Various things includes in formatting. So first of all we will learn slide master. So in view you will get a slide master here. At the top you can see in the previous videos we have learned about the presentation view, how we can see in our slide in slide sorter view, and now we will learn about slide master. Slide master is an element of the templates that store the information including font style, placeholder size, position of text and objects, bullet style, background design and color scheme. So it is a kind of a template which are inbuilt. So while we will click on slide master, we will see these are the templates which are built in, where we have the two placeholder. First one is for the title. The first placeholder we will call it a slide title placeholder, and second one we will call it a body text placeholder. Slide title placeholder is the first placeholder which contains the title of the page, and the second one, this one where it is written click to edit the master title style, this is the title placeholder, and this is the second one is a body title holder. So in body we can use different things. In the body of the text we can use the different colors. Here in edit theme it is written colors. We can use different kinds of colors, and to format anything, remember that one thing, if you want to format any text or data, anything in your presentation, first of all you have to select the data. If you will not select the data, the formatting will not be done. So first of all you have to select the data, then only you can use the formatting. And like we can change the fonts from here. There are the different fonts, by you can use the different fonts and the different colors, and there are the effects also. Here you can use the different effects. So this is the gallery, it is written built-in. These are the built-in effects. We can use them also. So slide master is a template in which we can use themes, fonts and effects. Then in slide master we can change the background style. From here we will click and we see different background style, and we can use any of them. Here it is written format background color. If you will click on it, you will get the wall interface in which transparency, background color, solid fill, gradient fill. You will find the various option. So now we are closing the master view, and then I will show you the in master view. When you will click on slide master like this, you will get a placeholder also. And when you will click on a placeholder, you can see you can place a placeholder of the content, text, picture, chart, table, smart art, media, clip art. So in slide master you will also get a placeholder in which you can place any of these items. By this you can custom your placeholder. Now if you will close this, now if we have a, now we can see a design tab. In design tab you will find different color scheme. Here you can change the theme of your wall presentation. This is also one style to change the theme of your presentation. Here you can see the different theme. You can choose any one of them. By default it is the white screen which you are able to see, in which you can write. Here I am showing you by choosing one of the theme, like I'm choosing this one. You can see the whole theme is changed in all the slide. You can see on the left hand side the color is changed for all the slides. So like this you can choose different themes. Here also you can see you can choose the scale, color scale. It is changing. You can see here by clicking on it, you will see it is totally changing. So you can choose the color of the theme according to your need or according to your like or desire, whatever you want. You will get different option in colors. And similarly, if you want to change the font, first you have to write something, then you have to select first. Again I am telling you, remember one thing: whenever you want to format something, you have to select that text or data, then only you can use the formatting. Here you can see the fonts, the same as we have seen in a master slide. You can see here we have different types of fonts. And similarly the effects, we have the apex, we have selected that, it is showing here the apex. Then we have the background style. Here also you can see by choosing one it is changing. In background style, when you will click on format background, you will see you have picture or texture fill. When you will click on picture or texture, I am just making it slide. You can see here on texture button, there in a drop down menu will be there, and you can see there are the various texture which you can choose for the background. By choosing it, you can apply or you can do the close. See, it is changed. I am showing you once again how you will do it. Click on a new slide, go in design tab. You have to design your whole PPT. So go in design tab, then click on background style. On background style, format background. When you will click on format background, there are options here. See, if you want to click on a gradient fill, it will change into the gradient fill, but it will not put a texture or a picture. If you want a picture or a texture, you have to click on picture and texture. And in texture you will see here, or if you want to add some picture, you can insert a file. Insert from, you can click on a file, or you can click on a clip art. It will give you the picture. But if you want a texture, which are built-in features of PowerPoint, you can click on texture, and then you can select any of the texture which you like, and it will apply to your background. There were some patterns for the background, like texture. Like when we click on the texture, they have the drop down menu. Similarly, here we have some patterns which you want. Like here I am choosing of the chess, and we can change the foreground and the background color. See, it is the foreground color, and if I want to change the background color, I can change the background color. These are the patterns. So according to your likes, you can choose any of the pattern, and you can choose the colors, or you can choose the textures. Whatever you like, you can choose it. So this is how you can do some of the formatting. You can try this much first, and this is very easy formatting, in which we have learned about the first we have learned about the slide master. In view, you will get the slide master, and in design tab, this is the most important tab, where you will get the different themes. In different themes, you can choose different colors, different fonts, and different effects. And the most importantly, you can change the background style. You will click on the background style, and then you can format a background. Reset slide background. If you want to reset all, it will send you back to the position. But if you want to format it, you can click on format, and you can add any of the gradient fill, picture text fill, or pattern fill according to your need. Like in picture or texture, first you will get the texture button here, and then you will get a drop down menu. When you will get the drop down menu, then you have to select the texture whatever you want in your slide. Then you will click on close, and that particular texture will be added on your slide. So it's very easy to format this. You can try this at home. See, here you have the picture color presentation also. You can click on the picture color. On the left hand side, you can see they are the preset already built in. You can change the colors of this texture. Similarly, you can change the color tone also. From here also you can move it left to right. Then we can see the here the depth is increasing and decreasing, or you can recolor it. There are the various options you have to try as per your need. Whatever your need is there in your presentation, you can use it according to your need. By this you can, but this is the procedure how you can do the formatting. And like I have shown you the background style of in that you have done the formatting part. In solid fill also, if you want to change the color, you can change the color of the this slide. See, it is become blue. It's not like that. If you are getting the first white slide, you can't change the color. You can change the background color from here. In formatting background, it is not necessary that you have to fill the texture only. You can change the color from white to your need. Whatever your need is, you can change the color of the background. By default it was white, but if you need to change, you can use any of the color from this drop down menu. And transparency is also there. If you want to make it little light, you can increase the transparency. See, from white it is changing to, here it is 0%, that's why it is not that transparent. So you can change the color, or you can fill the picture or texture from here, or you can use the inbuilt pattern. This is how you can format your background. So this is all for this formatting part, and the further part we will discuss in another video. So you all have to do this. Those who have the system at home, they can try this much. Thank you.